Hi, my name is Francis Fernandez. So basically, I'm an investor. So I think about stock exchange as investing a little part of my money and getting maybe 10 or 15% of interest. Recently, I came across Money Mint and Nilesh sir took a 1 day session wherein he taught us things in a very, very simple way. Things like using a bar chart, and based on those simple methodology, we were trained for the next 3 days. And at the same time, we were also trained on a 10 hours webinar, which was personally taken by Nilesh sir. Now, as I finish this particular course, I'm confident rather than being an investor, I would like to go ahead and trade in option selling rather than getting 10 or 15% of the investment amount back. I would like to trade and at least get 30 to 40%, and this is what is the target which I've got from MoneyMint. Thank you.